Top 5 Best Makeup Sponges. Top 5 Sponges on Amazon. If you're still using standard brushes and disposable cotton pads to apply your concealer, foundation, eyeshadow, and contour, it's about time you made your life easier with something from our selection of makeup sponges. They're designed to allow for ultra-even application without absorbing too much of your pricey cosmetics, so they can even save you money in the long run. Beaky 5 PCs Makeup Sponges Set. Estetica Cosmetics Beauty Sponge Blender.
Ladies, I have to tell you about my new favorite beauty tool. It's the Estetica Beauty Sponge. This latex-free, non-porous sponge is the perfect addition to your makeup kit. I just dab it gently in my makeup and bounce it along my skin for a natural, flawless look. It's amazing because you can use it for creams, liquids, and powders. And it can also be used wet or dry. Why the black color? A professional makeup artist would never use a beauty sponge that isn't black because they fade, show dirt, and are harder to clean. So, if you're looking for a beauty tool that will give you flawless application every time, then try the Estetica Beauty Sponge.
Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge Duo. Beauty Blender Original Beauty Blender. Real Techniques Mini Miracle Complexion Sponges.